I wish I could say that I've only had one file like this, but over the years I've had a number of reports from solicitors who are so busy trying to get the deal done for their client that they don't actually stop to consider who that client really is. I had a report last year from a lawyer who had acted for a manufacturing company for a number of years. Over that time, he had done a lot of work for the company and also for the principal shareholder of the company and his wife. He had come to be good friends with the principal shareholder. They would golf together once a month, they would go for dinner together with their wives, things like that. They got along quite well. At some point, the company got into some financial trouble and needed to go looking for financing in order to be able to carry on with its operations. The lawyer got involved and was able to find private financing to help out the company. That financing came with a requirement that the shareholder and his wife provide security in the form of a mortgage over their principal residence. Having negotiated the deal, the lawyer called up the shareholder and his wife, had them into the office, and they signed up the documents. Well, if you haven't already guessed, ultimately the company defaulted on its obligations under the loan. Foreclosure proceedings were started, and the house was sold in those proceedings. Having lost their family home, the only real option available to the couple was to bring an action against the lawyer. In that action, the couple alleged that the lawyer hadn't properly considered or advised them on their rights under the agreement and the ramifications of granting this mortgage. The lawyer had been so busy trying to get this deal accomplished that in his mind, the company, the shareholder, and his wife all had the same interests. He hadn't stopped to consider that the shareholder, and certainly his wife, should be sent out for independent legal advice. In this particular case, we were successful in defending the claim, and no damages were paid, but it's a simple example of an issue that I've seen come up more often than I would like.